Do you know what the single biggest expense in your life is? It's not rent, it's not groceries, and it's not even your expensive coffee addiction. It's taxes. And if you're a video editor or creator, you are likely overpaying by thousands of dollars every single year because you're treating this like a hobby, not a business. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to legally wipe out your tax bill using the investment loophole that 90% of creators ignore. Let me be real with you. In my very first year as a freelancer, I was terrified of the paperwork. I thought registering a business was a headache. So, I didn't do it. I just took the cash, spent it, and when tax season hit, I got slaughtered. I paid thousands in taxes that I could have kept in my pocket. I felt stupid. But once I flipped the switch and registered as a business entity, whether it's an LLC in the US or a sole proprietorship elsewhere, everything changed. It's actually free to set up in most countries, but the fear of admin stops you. Don't let it. The core concept, the 1,000 example. Here is the golden rule of business taxes. Profit equals revenue minus expenses. Let's say you earn $1,000 US. Scenario A, you keep it as personal income. The government takes their cut, let's say 37%. You're left with $630. You spend that on dinner and movies. Gone. Scenario B, you are a registered business. You earn that $1,000, but instead of paying yourself, you reinvest it into the business. You buy a new Mac Studio, a Herman Miller chair, or a high-end microphone. Because that money was used to generate more income, it is not profit. It is an expense. You pay zero tax on that $1,000. You just upgraded your setup for free. That is the power of legitimate tax deductions. The ultimate deduction list. So, what counts as a legitimate business expense? It's not just hardware. Software and subscriptions, Adobe Creative Cloud, Final Cut Pro, plugins, even your YouTube Premium account if you use it for research. The office. If you work from home, a percentage of your rent and utilities is deductible. Education, courses, workshops, even this video you're watching right now if it helps your skills. Travel and internet. Internet bills are 100% deductible. Travel for shoots? Deductible. The gray area. A portion of meals with clients or even streaming services if you analyze content on them. Basically, if it helps you earn money, it's likely deductible. Now, a crucial reality check. Tax laws are different everywhere. What applies in the US might differ in the UK, Denmark, or India. Rules change every year. The LLC structure in America is similar to an APS or sole trader in Europe, but the tax rates vary. Always, and I mean always, verify with a local accountant or your country's tax authority. I'm sharing strategies, not legal advice. But ignoring these rules because they seem complicated is the most expensive mistake you can make. Tax is the biggest leak in your wealth bucket. Plug it. Register your business today, track every receipt, and keep what you earn. If you want a full breakdown of how I set up my accounting, smash that like button and comment "tax guide" below. I'll see you in the next one.